Good morning, y'all. Today is Thursday, November 29th. Yeah, it's 29th. And I am up early. I think it's like 7:30 maybe. And me and Cam are dressed. Taylor just woke up. And Cam is right here asleep listening to white noise. He enjoys that. Go use a potty, boo. So I'm dressed. I have an appointment. Well, the kids have an appointment today. He has a 6-week appointment, and Taylor has her flu shot that she has to get. And I was debating whether to get it or not. I have, we actually have this new product called Immunity that's family friendly that kids can take. But the only reason I would have just went with that alone. However, she does go to the gym and she has got the stomach virus there before. And with a newborn in the house, I don't want to risk her getting the flu or him getting the flu. And I can't take the flu shot. So the more people who have the flu shot in the house, the better for us, I guess. So I know there's a lot of debate on whether it's smart to or to not get the flu shot, but yeah, I'm definitely getting that immunity product for myself because I can't take it. I'm allergic, and I'm gonna have her taking it too. It's like she can put it in hot water or cold water and it tastes really good, so I'm sure she'll drink it. Yeah, and it also helps with like urinary tract infections and stuff like that too, like preventing that. So that's like, if you suffer from that, because I know I used to have those a lot, like, yeah. Here's my boo-boo, my schnookums. Yeah, he is getting so big. Like, for this rock and play, I do not think he's gonna be in there much longer because he's like so big in there. Oops, I think I put my earring. But yeah, I will see you guys downstairs when I'll see you guys when I get downstairs. Start over.
Welcome to my house. This is my house.
I think she has a Christmas tree in there. Can they come in?
Sure, come in. Pretty house right here. I got
Back it up,
windows.
Too close.
I got my windows here. So
I'll open the windows for them, okay?
Okay. Hi, you gonna come in?
Sure.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi.
Did I show y'all the Christmas decorations already? Did we show them? We did. Let me show y'all real quick. And I have a call. So mommy gotta hurry up because I think I have a call. So I got this for Taylor so she can like do her numbers and stuff. So every day she'll put the little Merry Christmas ball all the way down to Christmas Day. Where's number 1, Nani? Good job. Where's number 2? Good job. So you're gonna put, tomorrow you'll put it inside the pocket. It's a little pocket. You'll put the ball in the pocket. Yep. So this is our little entertainment center situation. Love it. And got some little trees and stuff right there. This is our Christmas tree. We have a little present under the tree. No ma'am, put it down. Y'all have presents under there already, and she keeps asking me about opening them. And I got these pillows. It's not. That's from Marshall. No, that's not from Marshall's. That's from Michael's. Y'all hear Cam over here? Mom, you might want to close that up.
Welcome to my house.
Hold on, Taylor. Where's my phone? Oh, right here. I bet. Yep, it's 4:30. So let me make sure that this call is not gonna still happen. So I'm not late.
I get my workout bag.
Hello, y'all. So it's later on in the day. I got dressed. As y'all can see, we already put up Christmas decorations.
Right.
I stopped it. I'm sorry.
Huh?
I put these on the stairs, but this one fell down. The hook fell off. What the hook gonna be? Y'all remember that song? You remember that song, babe? Do you remember that song? Let's see. When we gonna come back and this one be fell off, if not before. That's how that looks.
What time you got?
Taylor over here. I think she showed you guys this yesterday, but she has a little house situation going on. I figured this is something that she could do during the day while I stop being over dramatic. You're not sick. It's a real cough. While I'm at work. And y'all, I got so many questions about a P.O. box while I was pregnant and stuff, and I did not have one. But I have one now, because of course I did want to get one while we were in the process of moving. So I will put that in the description box. And Cam is over here asleep. Let me show you guys him really quickly. Look how huge he is. Y'all hear this girl talking about some, do y'all want to come to her house or not? Do y'all want to come to her house or not? Taylor, we about to leave. Say happy Vlogmas.
Happy Vlogmas.
Vlogmas.
Happy Vlogmas.
Vlogmas.
So we here at home. So we gotta go somewhere. This is she, Mommy.
Hey, you guys.
So it's really quick. We got the living room over here.
Taylor, come here. Come over here.
But Mom said, come here. We got some wood. We got these. So you want to show you where's the trees? Look. But it's actually be good. It doesn't like cute. I want my set.
So I'll talk to you guys when we get to the store.
I talk to you guys when we get to the store. Bye. Talk to you later down below. Bye.
We're in the car. We're on our way to Target because
Give it to me.
we're not doing this the whole vlogmas, Taylor. I'm talking right now. Okay?
I want to have it.
Chunky Chunk, fat boy, can't fit his Christmas outfit already. So we have to take it back and get like a size 6 month. Now, Carter's does run small. So he's already in the size 3 month, but I think 3 month is 0 to 3. And then 6 months for them is 3 to 6. So he's only 1 month. But by Christmas he'll be 2 months. He's a healthy boy. So we're going to go to Target to try to see. I know they don't have the outfit that I got for him in store though, so that's why it's super annoying. That's where I'm at, y'all. Bath and Body Works. Hopefully it's not too crazy up in here. I'm about to just go get 2 candles really quick. So let's see what they got. And it's UGG season. Do y'all wear Uggs? If you wear Uggs, drop a comment below. The boot comment, the boot emoji, put that below. That's what you want for Christmas?
Yeah.
He wants some boots for Christmas.
You know what I want for Christmas.
Like, I know exactly what you want. Oh, is it snowing?
No, it's raining.
Babe, look, that's not rain.
It's raining.
It's snowing. I think that's snow, babe.
I don't think it's snowing,
So, I'm gonna just let it rain on my head. That is snow.
Watch out, man, get over. But I want no,
I know what you
what I
want.
want.
Say hey, babe.
What's up, guys?
Y'all probably wondering, like, where y'all kids? They in the car with my mother-in-law.
Nah, they at the house watching themselves. What they gonna tell?
So we got 2 candles. Mom.
They don't have none.
Nope. What, my car? Give me a new car for Christmas.
A new car. What'd you get? And you should have just got.
I'm gonna show you guys what I got when we get home.
Then you should have got you another candle.
Alright.
I'm just here.
Y'all crazy, man. They acting up right now. Right now we at a restaurant called Glory Days. They acting up in here. But nah, me and Ted, we're having a big debate about like the best phone plan, like phone service and such as like T-Mobile, Sprint,
We're not even considering Verizon.
Cricket, Metro PCS.
We're not doing that. No.
Who else? Verizon.
And I think Metro PCS, and no shade to the Android. I think Android.
Anyways, but she's highly considering T-Mobile, saying like that is the best phone service with the best phone plans. I mean, I don't know. All I really care about.
T-Mobile, let us know.
Just let us know what you all think. Right now, we both have Sprint.
Look at Ken.
My mom talking about straight talk, so I don't know what she's talking about. She lost.
No, Mom. She gotta go to the Walmart and get cars. Well, no, I actually can go and just get auto retail.
Trip. Look at this. That's all he do is just sleep, eat, use the bathroom.
Sumo.
Like he sleep all day. He sleep all day.
And then be up
around the morning, like the hours of like 1:30 until like 4.
I'll say 12:30
okay, 12 to 4, he up, alert. I've been trying to tell this girl like his hours and days, like his days and nights is just jacked up. She don't want to believe me. Oh well.
I don't know what to do. Mommies, if y'all know how to flip it, you know, and
keep them up. But she don't want to listen to me. All you gotta do is keep them up.
Well, newborns sleep 16 hours a day.
It's supposed to have been 18. They say 18.
Probably 16 or 18. Yeah, and them extra, what is it?
What?
Them
and the leftover.
6 hours, he's up.
He's up during like the middle of the night. Don't make me no never mind because all I do is go to sleep on both of them.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do. Oh, my arm hurt.
Alright, Taylor.
My arm hurt.
Let Taylor talk. Get on the table.
She got an attitude.
Tell him why you mad, Nani.
Why you mad?
Tell him why you mad.
Oh, you're not gonna talk now? Because you got attitude? Oh, she mad.
Taylor, you gotta speak up. They now maybe hear you.
She said I spilled her drink in the car. That's why she mad. That's why you mad? If I spilled your drink? Okay, that's fine.
Tootie. 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 Where we at?
At the Target.
This is not the Target store. You said that. Where we at? Where are we? Why?
I know in the wall.
Y'all, she's in a world, a dream world right now. All these toys. Come on, boo. Let's see what else. The baby doll has a baby gym and a high chair. Like, seriously.
Look at Elton hat. Aww, he's so cute, babies.
Where the brown babies all? Where the brown babies? Like, not one brown baby. Not one. That's crazy. Taylor, where are the beautiful brown babies? I don't see any.
I have an idea. What about
No fair. I just found some silverware. We lost all of our silverware when we moved. Excuse me. So I'm about to buy some more. Let me get this one. It's heavy. I'm starting to really like mugs too. I don't want like a collection or anything, but I like them because I drink my coffee every day, and then I find myself like looking for a cute mug to use. Show me your dress, boo. Back up. Ooh. Alright, move. Alright, I want to show you guys really quick what I got. It's over there. What we got from the store. We're gonna put on a candle. I'm so excited. Okay. So I got marshmallow fireside. Oh my goodness, it smells amazing. Taylor, let's show the guys what you got. I got this for free. Iced gingerbread, shea butter, hand cream. I got, see, they like this one. What is this? This is fresh balsam. I think that's how you say it. Yeah, it smells like a man.
What flavor you get?
Fresh balsam and marshmallow fireside. I picked out this one. CJ like this one. Smells like a man. What he do? He must be washing the silverware we got. Yeah, we needed this. Oh, this is nice. It came with this too. With the little marble. It's nice. Yes, we really needed this. I miss my silverware. So guys, Taylor got a game because she's so spoiled. She got this Minnie Mouse pop-up game. It's kind of like Trouble. So we're about to play this and eat some snacks and relax. Right, boo?
Yeah. I can about that. But my arm okay because my doctor said her give me a shot. And then I cried. Camden had 3 shots.
Yeah, Camden got 3 shots the other day, y'all. And she got the flu shot. Alright, mommy's gonna open it because I don't want to ruin the box. Let me open it, okay? Who's on the box? Who's on the box?
Daisy.
Who's that?
I blew my phone.
That's Daisy.
You had it.
And the Minnie Mouse. A cat.
Alright, y'all, talk to y'all later. We're about to play some games.
A dog.
Y'all, so here are my baby's little Christmas outfits. This is Cam's. So I went to Target and they actually had the outfit in his size. So y'all see, he is wearing a size 3 to 6 months. I thought this was so cute. Look at the little pocket with the little cookie right there in the pocket. And then when I went to go pick this up, I saw these little shoes and I had to grab them. Like, how cute are these little elf shoes? So cute. And then this one is Taylor's. Y'all know, or if you don't know, she wants to wear dresses like every single day. So, and she's literally been asking me every day, like, is it Christmas? Mommy, can it be Christmas today? So I got her this one and it came with a skirt, so it's perfect for Miss Taylor. Yeah, so this is what my babies are gonna wear on Christmas Eve night. I gotta find her some Christmas socks too. So that's it.
Don't you tell a single soul what I'm going to say.